Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 2, часть 2, страница 7-8, English Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 2, part number 2, page number 7-8. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 7. The country code. Have to. Должен. Don't have to. Не должен. We use have to talk about things that are necessary to do because there are rules to follow. We can't choose to do something else. I have to wear a uniform at school. It's a school rule. He has to get up early tomorrow. He can't choose to get up late. We use don't have to say that it isn't necessary to do something. We can choose to do something else. I don't have to get up early on Saturdays. It's not necessary. I can choose to get up late. They don't have to go to the cinema with us. It's not necessary. They can choose to stay at home. Должен, не нужно. Мы используем должен, чтобы поговорить о вещах, которые необходимо сделать, согласно существующим правилам. Я должен носить школьную форму, это школьное правило. Он должен встать рано завтра, он не может встать поздно. Мы используем «не нужно», чтобы сказать, что нет необходимости делать что-то. Мы можем делать еще что-то. Мне не нужно вставать рано по субботам. Это не обязательно. Я могу встать поздно. Им не нужно идти с нами в кино. Это не обязательно. Они могут остаться дома. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Complete the sentences. Use the correct form of have to or don't have to. Number 1. We are on holiday, Bogdan. You don't have to get up early this week. Закончи предложение. Используй правильную форму have to или don't have to. Мы на каникулах, Богдан. Тебе не нужно вставать рано на этой неделе. Number 2. I can't go to the park. I have to help my mom with the chores. Я не могу пойти в парк. Я должен помочь маме с домашней уборкой. Number 3. Svetlana doesn't have to walk to school. She can take the school bus. Number 3. The answer. Светлане не нужно идти пешком в школу. Она может поехать на автобусе. Number 4. We have to write a text on Yuri Gagarin. Where can I find some information? Number 4. The answer. Мы должны написать текст про Юрия Гагарина. Где я могу найти какую-нибудь информацию? Number 5. They don't have to come with us. They can stay at home. Number 5. The answer. Им не нужно идти с нами. Они могут остаться дома. Number 6. I have to leave now. I've got a piano lesson. Number 6. The answer. Мне нужно уйти сейчас. У меня урок по фортепиано. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Complete the conversation. Then take roles and act out. Can I ask you some questions? Yes, of course. Do I have to have a visa to travel to Russia? Закончи разговор. Затем разберите роли и разыграйте его. Можно мне задать несколько вопросов? Да, конечно. Мне нужна виза, чтобы поехать в Россию. Yes, you do. Do I have to take some warm clothes with me? Oh, yes, it's still cold in the evenings. Да, нужно. Мне нужно взять теплую одежду с собой. О, да, по вечерам все еще холодно. Do I have to speak Russian? Oh, no, you don't. A lot of Russian people speak English. They can help you. Я должна разговаривать по-русски? Нет, не нужно. Многие русские люди говорят по-английски. Они помогут вам. One more thing. Do I have to stay at a hotel? No, you don't. You can stay with family. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Еще кое-что. Я должна остановиться в гостинице? Нет, не обязательно. Вы можете остановиться с семьей. Спасибо за вашу помощь. Пожалуйста. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 8. 8. Grammarland. Should, shouldn't. Должен. Не нужно. We use should, shouldn't to give advice to someone. For example, you should go to the doctor's. You shouldn't go outside. Должен, не должен. Мы используем должен, не должен, чтобы дать кому-либо совет. Тебе следует сходить к врачу. Тебе не следует выходить. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Give the correct advice. I've got a cold. You should take some cough syrup. Я простудился. Тебе следует принять сироп от кашля. I've got a headache. У меня головная боль. Тебе нужно выпить таблетку. You should take an aspirin. Number 3. I've got a toothache. У меня зубная боль. Тебе нужно сходить к стоматологу. You should go to the dentist. Number 4. I've got a stomachache. У меня боль в желудке. Тебе следует попить немного чая. You should drink some tea. Exercise number 2. Listen to the doctor and put a tick or a cross. Послушай доктора и поставь галочку или крестик. A tick. Wear a helmet. Wash our hands. Go to bed early. Play outside. A cross. Watch TV. Run when it's wet. Hello, children. I'm here today to talk you about how to keep healthy, safe and fit. Now then, let's talk about riding our bikes. What should we wear? A helmet. Yes, very good. We should always wear our helmet when we ride our bikes. Who watches TV every day? Me. I see. Well, we shouldn't really watch too much TV. It's not good for us. Now I want to ask you another question. What should we do before we eat? Wash our hands. Exactly. We should always wash our hands before we eat. Now let me see. Who goes to bed early every night? I do. Very good. We should go to bed early every night. Who likes playing outside? Me. Excellent. We should play outside as much as we can and go for walks. But if it rains outside, be very careful. We shouldn't run when it's wet outside. It's very dangerous. Now let's talk about kind of food. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Now look at the pictures again and tell the class. We should wear a helmet when we ride our bikes. Сейчас снова посмотри на картинки и расскажи классу. We shouldn't really watch too much TV. We should always wash our hands before we eat. We shouldn't go to bed early every night. We should play outside as much as we can. We shouldn't run when it's wet outside. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.